We'll guide you through how to import data from ClickUp to Power BI. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before starting the process. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. You are now in your ClickUp account and ready to continue with the next step. To import data from ClickUp into Power BI, open 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 in a new browser tab. Click New Connector to begin creating a new integration. From the list of available connectors, select ClickUp. Next, click Connect with ClickUp to authorize the connection between your ClickUp account and 𝗟𝗟𝗏. Choose the ClickUp workspace that you want to use, making sure it contains the data that you plan to import into Power BI. After selecting the correct workspace, click Connect Workspace to continue. Next, choose either the List Connector or Space Connector according to your needs. For this example, select List Connector so you can import data from a specific list. After selecting the connector type, choose the space that contains the data you want to import. Then select the list whose data you want to import into Power BI and verify that you have selected the correct location before continuing. Once everything has been configured, click Generate Link. Copy the generated link and make sure the entire URL has been copied successfully. Now switch to Power BI and open the application or service where you want to import the ClickUp data. Click the Get Data menu to choose a data source for your report. From the available options, select Web as the data source because the ClickUp data will be retrieved using the generated URL. Paste the copied link into the URL field and double-check that the link has been pasted correctly before continuing. Click OK to confirm the URL. You have now successfully imported data from ClickUp into Power BI, where it is ready to be used for reporting and data visualization.